DGC Vice Principal Nobin Terang along with several ex-KADCC members joined BJP. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host, your Bon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. The Bharatiya Janata Party East Karbi Anglong District Committee had on Thursday held its district executive meeting in Dipu. The program was held at Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium located in the heart of Dipu town. During the meeting, the BJP party in the presence of KACC M. Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horan Singh Bey, MLA Bidya Singh Ingling, General Secretary of State BJP Assam Pradesh, Punindra Nath Sarma, BJP party Karbi Anglong District President Dhon Singh Teron, and many others prominent leaders welcomed more than 50 new members. Prominent among them were former Professor of Chemistry and ex-Vice Principal of Dipu Government College, Nobin Terang. He is presently a resident of Rongmaway, Dipu, but originally hails from Dilai under Borjan MAC constituency. Many speculated that he might be a nominee from the BJP for the upcoming MAC elections expected to be held in 2022. Other persons who joined the BJP during the day were former District Congress Mahila Committee President Rina Bepi, General Secretary Kache Terangpi, KADCC Social Media and IT Department Chairman Thomi Hanse, Mahamaya Mahila Congress President Anjuli Lekthepi and others. Talking to Karbi Anglong Live, Rina Bepi said that she had left Congress and joined the BJP on being pleased with the commendable works done by the BJP under the leadership of the Tuliram Ronghang.
National Congress Party pen ladak BJP sarkar long mate BJP party lo nilin angkat cepa ogdun ke claim ke dam ke misen CM alang ke claim ke dam Karbi Anglong kana pacing thu la pen kangon kang jinso kai ke ta alang thepik la so ninge thesi nilitum BJP sarkar long cepa ogdun
nali long Congress long ke claim ke don banon BJP long bangkan pagri sang hoto
nilitum arpu ke doa tumlo Basila kado kabini district Muhila porsi kado ebaten komison pidong unia dalo setame unan ben kedak lumbajong LA vice principal nilibang korasir ke member lakado biar pugido tumani dicipon lo.
Roshan Hanse's report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. Residents of 6 villages under Jaipong area under the Langhin MAC constituency has expressed the deep dismay over the lack of road and other basic needs of life. Villagers say that they have been deprived of almost everything despite their villages being more than 30 years old. Despite the country, state and council under the BJP government, residents of the 6 villages say that Parivartan has not reached the area and the indifference attitude of elected representatives towards the development of Jaipong area has led to worsening of the condition. The area has no road, which makes it apparent of the communication woes the villagers have been facing since 1987, the last time when road was constructed. While narrating their pain and hardships, Kamsing Timung village resident Mensing Timung told Karbi Anglong Live that, as usual, leaders would come and make tall promises including construction of good road for villagers, but once the election is over, no leaders had actually fulfilled the promises until now. Do they actually care for the people of our area? He questioned. He warned that the slab culvert constructed over the river is under deplorable condition and could completely get washed away or collapse any moment if flood water hits the area. Further, he stated that this road becomes nightmare for the villagers during rainy seasons, especially for students, women, elderly people, and most importantly, people who require medical attention.
La kadang long la pen sara tum ladak ni tum kam sing tum rong pen kana rong so atwar ajone alang tum kachapadu pen ke wang port ni ya alang tum phan kardom te lam thela pelo tini tum rong non pinim pen sastaglilo tidam tang 1987 pen jika tawar na pi la sa tawar na pi stame ini tum along puta akimi si theklong lang teman non puta along tum la na kuria tum along tum sini lo salang tum si lai hoita non ni tum phan bangso kimi ja phan tawar ki pa messenger phan along tum la snap lang kuri lo la se bangso ka bang long tim tum phan ni tum chuni ya lam thela phelo si na tum la ka klem nang ya kam do an statement na tum ang klem pon pop si ni tum mathalo athema ni tum ke dam ke wang pen chenglok bine ke su kun e ka do ve hai hu phan ke chipon ya phan ta ka dik jar ka sik sak ka san ke do asi an se na tum phan ma koron thu pa min nang las dan tum jong sir bangsa kam na klem pilo pula ta te na tum an se si na tum nong nam jimi theklong po lasi labangso a towar ke aprang stame wang bom lo survey wang po herbe jot lo sakam claim khedat ke hala election prang ta ne labangso kam claim po ne la election jitu camping wang hoda wang ke kache chak kang pami pik stame kache chak kang pami pik pen stame nan anta la ho kam claim jitheklong lang lasi.
Following this, residents of the 6 villages has urged upon the concerned leaders and authority to take up the issues and initiate measures and provide them good roads to end the connectivity woes once for all. Sarpangri Intikatar's report from Langhin for Karbiangon Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen hanaan long iji ladak nanglitum karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelongjia sona monglake hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang han hipi ki phichatni dumke karlu phag ok ki up phag ok slice fry phag ok ki phi phag ok ki mung lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponechi Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga chai megalongta nangji pulote long ichi Aprang pen ke pathi ke jia phan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-23986 along humri lote longponichi lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka karbianglong.
In order to provide assistance to the needy families during these hard times, the Lam Society across the district had been entrusted with the responsibility to distribute free rice to both ration card holders as well as non-card holders. However, instead of distributing the rice free of cost, massive anomalies under Denkaung Cooperative Lambs has been detected, as Karbi Students Association exposed damning detail. The scam was exposed when several persons were spotted carrying bags of rice not bought from any grocery store but from the Denkaung Cooperative Lambs. Whereas this rice was meant for the poor people, it was seen that only people having cash in hand are able to purchase while the needy are being deprived. On Thursday, the KSA Hauraghat Regional Committee convened a press meet during which they strongly demanded proper inquiry on the Denkaung Cooperative Lambs. The KSA leaders stated that in past few days they had detected people buying rice from the lambs. They had not only detected rice being carried by tempo and autos, but have even seen buyers waiting with their vehicle in the lambs godown.
Evidence do ke neblong check lo alang itu juga ke datang 2 tarik Julai ani samyalang itu tempo ben ke jodang ni itu khang dong check lo asini itu karbilo chali asom pen ke tipu damji bang ke lalaje ate non ke to bom sarkar labangso kidu kela aphan COVID-19 na putha abut akit joy kipen kiron asang akit joy pen kipinang ji asang alang itum nang thik den pen ustami den arong alen salong bangke antang ka chujor mate kapre ka chujor ka chupang lindo sini tum kar bilo char asong men ke immediately iruyang mo alang itum han action and make nangi
COVID-19 na po, lockdown na po, napuan na sang abek ko na semua mantum arjulo lo sih. Halat tum nanjat hatulo tempo driver penceng lo kenam ko bang ko tum itu lebang so asang bang ke denalong. Lem salong pas ke pon selang tum thandu. Lebang so sang kupia jo ni sedang tum hala puan ang tum lo tum arjulo lang tum kenam ko. Halat aspan itu kenam ko klarda alam long lok pen tum direct ni tum lebang so society ya ham long dam kilo lo pen chairman kan jetong lam lo hala dak chetong lam det pen stame rason dak hala dak stame tempo hum pasangkok ni tum theglom hala dak stame ni tum ang no ma a driver non la mane back cap ki pon ji da puson stame la dak tum thegam lo.
KSA has given 1 week's time to the KAC to conduct proper inquiry into the matter and demanded for stronger action against the Dengaung Cooperative Lamps Authority if found guilty. The students' body has warned of stronger agitation if the demand is not met.
Ilitu makai mati ladak keduara kidu kelak dubik kasalapang so sang arong teng pen kipipe tulitu malong evidence lo lapen kejor kacong kita dubik asli tu pini lapang so through media pen kacuning rebang kelalu je non kibom garbeng autonomous council chief akai CM tuliram sarahan sami nilitum cuning rilit horlo ate prabjit pen nalitum labang so alen salong mesen tang sai ibe kurang te nilitum prabjit pen karbilo charne song pen sudah kaci song made suluk sudah kaci song sami nilitum labang so alen ta theido donan kok ji pusin nilitum pidi labang so through media
The press meet was attended by KSA Assistant Secretary Mirjeng Teron, Assistant Finance Secretary Pangsong Teron, Dengaung Head Branch President Kensing Kiling, Ananda Terang and others. Bikrom Teron from Denarong for Karbianong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbianong Live and stay safe.